Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give a review of some bicycles and tricycle I have bought for my kids in the past 2-3 years from Amazon. So first of all I will start with this bike I bought a month ago for my 4-year-old. It is a Speedbird 14T sports cycle for the age group 3 to 6 years. I got it for 2800 from Amazon. Amazon did not provide assembly service for it, so we had to assemble it ourselves. First, we tried to assemble it, but we could not, so we had to take it to the local shop, and he charged us 350 rupees for it, assembling it. Even though we had done most of the work, its quality is okay. I would give it a 7 out of 10 on quality. You can get this kind of a bicycle at your local shop, fully assembled at a lower price, I think. We had bought a similar bicycle for my older kid a few years back from the local shop, and it cost us less than 2k. I don't remember the exact price now. It comes with back support and a basket in front, and there's a bottle holder at the back, and a bottle was also provided, but its quality is not okay for drinking. And it comes with support wheels also. And it comes with a steel frame and is also provided with chain cover in order to avoid accidents. I think the bicycle can last for 2-3 years until the kid outgrows it. But I would not recommend buying it this kind of bicycle online, as Amazon is not providing assembly service with it. If they would have provided it, would have been better. Now the second bike is a Hero bike which I bought around a year back, also from Amazon. I got it for around 4000 as there was some discount going on. It is a Hero Blast 20T single speed bike. It is good for 7 to 9-year-old kids, and it does not come with training wheels. The bike is delivered in semi-assembled condition, and we can add assembly service with it for around 400. The quality is good and the frame is made of steel and it looks quite strong and sturdy. The only thing missing is that there is no stand with it, and that is such a basic thing. They could have provided it also. Otherwise, I think this is a good buy for 4k. If your kids love to ride, they will be quite happy with it. The third is a tricycle which I had bought around 3 years back from Amazon only. But now I cannot find the exactly same one anywhere online. We got it for 4000. It seems costly now because now I checked online for tricycles and I found many similar options around for around 2000. But this tricycle has been worth every penny as it is going good till now. When both my kids and their friends have played with it a lot, and it also has been handled roughly, but still it is in good working condition. So I would give it a 10 on 10 for its quality, and its look is also very colorful. It has quite a sturdy build and it's very comfortable. I bought it for my kid when she was just 1, as it has good support bars which are properly cushioned, and its lock system is also very safe. So you can take your kid out on walks without worrying about him falling off. The thing I really love about this tricycle is that each and every part is very carefully made so as to provide comfort to the kid and tension free ride for the parents. That's all for today. So if you liked my video, please give a thumbs up, and if you have any queries, please feel free to write in the comment section below, and please subscribe to my channel for more product reviews and place reviews every week. Thank you for watching.